Hello everyone, so I am in another room with some other girls, and here this is Pimi, the Spitz baby, and this is the golden retrievers are Shonamuni, Fanny, and the one on the bed is Shaggy. The beagle baby is Kiara, and the small little cutie puppy is Dimpy. So here again all girls in the hall area, as I showed you, all the girls are there. Again in this room all the girls are there. So right now we have more girls than the boys. In the boys we have in the other room Boogie, Milo, Max, Teddy, Robert and Dollar. And Rocky. But here now these are the girls and how well they are together with each other. Some are resting, some are having some good time, playful time. The little one is jumping around, and Pimi, she has come just now, so she is trying to make out where I am and who are these friends. Shaggy, she is very shy. She is also new to the creche and she came yesterday, and at least she is not salivating. Till yesterday she was salivating a lot. Today she is not salivating. That means Shaggy is now becoming little bit accustomed to a new place, but still if you can see from her expression, she is still trying to make out, but I'm sure in a few days she will be perfectly adapting to the new place. This is Dimpy. We have given her a small toy. Let us see what she does with the toy. Oh my, she has gone under the bed so that the big ones don't take the toy from her. So these are the beautiful babies, and it's very awesome moments to capture, to see them doing so good in a creche. So many girls from different families, and they are all staying with so much love and peace. So this is Shaggy. Thank you all for watching our videos and telling us to post more and more videos, because you all love to see what these babies are doing in our creche. Have a great day ahead.